Alright, today's the day. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. Get these drawers back organized. Friday and Saturday weren't good to me. I left all this stuff out, so it's time to clean up. Well, that didn't really work out. I got a couple of things put away, and then my buddy's like, hey, I'm available. Sweet, I gotta go get those 2 vending machines. So we went and got those 2 vending machines, and then I fell asleep at like 4:30. I took a nap until like 7:30. So now I'm awake again, and I gotta put this stuff away, which I can do now. Alright, it's all cleaned up. That monitor's going inside. That stuff's going inside. These 2 are going inside, and that is going to the business that I got it from. I wasn't able to fix it. So I just gotta take these inside now. I really wish there was more room for me to work. This shed isn't very big. Soon, as soon as I sell that dang Jeep, I'm gonna start on the garage project. Alright, one last clip from my phone. My camera's inside already. I got my dartboard put up. We're gonna see if we can get a bullseye. Did we get it? Ah, we almost got it. We almost got 2. That's it, I think. Yep, got one. Sweet. But it's getting pretty late. I want to say goodnight to you guys. I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.